In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A55, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts. First of all, open Settings and scroll down to access Safety and Emergency. Then click on Emergency Contacts. Scroll down. Make sure that this switcher next to Show on Lock Screen is blue, and then hit Add Emergency Contact. Now tap on one of your contacts that you wish to add, and then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. To save them, hit Done at the bottom. If you want to delete one of your contacts, just hold it and click on the bin icon at the bottom. As you can see, after that, all of mine were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!